Oh my god. Whew. Happy day. I have one main goal today. I have two goals. I have to do something for my son, and my other goal is to send out my giveaway winner's gift to her. It's already almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you guys, and let me not spray this over these jeans. It's already 2 in the afternoon, and I have to leave the house really shortly to do something for my son, but I need to finish my hair before I go. This, by the way, covers like all your gray hairs. Like if you have any gray hairs, this is gonna cover it. We're covering them. Like I would dye my hair, but I literally don't know how to do that. That sounds really scary. And then we're just gonna use this right here. So I wanna wear my hair down, but I don't feel like doing so much. I don't feel like doing that much. I used to use a toothbrush for this, but it's just, I don't know where that is. I have a toothbrush that I like, so I'm gonna use this edges brush. I believe this is by Conair. I'm just gonna slick my edges behind my ear like that. My edges are slowly, like, they're leaving, like where you can't really tell because I just slicked it over, but there should definitely be hair here from having my daughter. My hair has basically just started deciding it wants to fall out. So I'm looking for bobby pins now, and I'm gonna put something on my lips, and then we're gonna go. Where are the bobby pins? I wonder how much battery is in this camera. I have my other one ready to go. I just found this camera on the holder. You guys know what the holder looks like that I have. So I don't really want to leave without bobby pins. Okay, found one. Need the other. Just one more. I have millions of things in this bathroom drawer. You would think if I had millions of things, I could find 2 bobby pins easy, but no, I'm not easy. Okay, just want to pin that part of the hair back because I just don't want it up front today. One more. It's time to go. Anyway, to be honest with you, there's a million things I could do. Like I'll give you a tiny little sneak peek of what I could actually do today. All right. You see this drawer? It needs help. That's not even fair. I didn't show you much, did I? Okay, look. So you see the counter? Do you see how chaotic the countertop kind of looks? And I really could spend time getting that together. But my giveaway winner deserves her prize. She's been waiting. She's been participating on all my other socials. This giveaway winner won my YouTube. She won my YouTube giveaway that I hosted months ago, and I'm gonna send her a big box of stuff. I set my mind to something, and then all of a sudden it's the hardest thing to do that day. If I didn't need them, the bobby pins would be sitting right here where I can see them. If I didn't plan on sending her her gift today, it would be sitting right by the front door ready to go out, because it has been in those spots. The bobby pins have been there before. The gift box has been there before. They're not there now. I guarantee when I go to the front door, the gift box is not gonna be there. So I have to put in work right now. Yes, bobby pin. One little bobby pin. Let me just show you how hard this was for me. Let me just show you. I found one little bobby pin. This one. There it is, right down there. I found it. I gave my kids, my 2 small kids, to my husband. I need to give myself grace. Like, I literally have 3 very small children that I get to be a stay-at-home mom for, you know. So just, it's okay, it's okay. All right, got the bobby pins. Those I need because I want to wear my hair like this. And then I need a little bit of lip Maybelline Superstay number 56. Ah, okay. Oh, I'm enjoying this color more than I thought I would. It's like a whipped something. It took me way too long to focus on what this color is called. It's called Knee High. You know why that's my issue right now? Because my eyesight is changing. You saw all the contacts I have in here. Unfortunately, I'm going through the part of life where I have to get my eyes checked out. Just my eyesight is changing, so it's taking a while to focus on things sometimes. I need to go back to my optometrist. I'm just gonna do a little organization. This drawer is crazy. Do I have anything to moisturize my hands? Of course not. Of course not. Because I want to do something big today. I always feel weird like showing that I pump for my newborn daughter. I need to do this before I leave the house. I absolutely have to pump breast milk. We're going to do this really quick. Then we're going to finish getting dressed because my chest is starting to feel hot. And I think that's like the universal sign where like if your chest feels warm, you probably need to pump. I've talked about this product before. After I do this, I put the organic nipple butter cream on. But I started getting dressed a little bit more. I added like my mommy jewelry and stuff. I can link this. It's from Amazon. I love it. It's so cute. I got it when I first started buying like mommy stuff. And that's a whole story I want to get into like in a different video. But anyway, this is the nursing bra that I use. I'm going to link this down below too because I love this bra. I have it. I have 3 of them of this exact same one. The one I link for you, it's gonna look like it's white or something. Don't worry, it's the exact same bra. So my daughter is breastfeeding at the beginning of the day. She breastfed. She's gonna breastfeed later this evening after I finish what I'm doing and just like do dinner with the kids and stuff. I really hope it's not too hot for this long sleeve sweater that I love from Walmart, but I'm wearing shorts, so it shouldn't be too crazy. Okay, I hope. I'm just gonna wear these Joseph Sable sandals that I got when we went to Disneyland. I need to do a video about all the stuff I love at Nordstrom. These sandals are so comfortable. I don't know why I'm trying to put my shoe on like this. Why? I have to take any second of the day I get to do what I wanted to do. Like, I have to take it right then and there. This gift has got to go out. So I got my shoes on. I'm dressed. Let me grab my camera. Are you guys mommies? Or are you just here for like the wellness stuff? You here for the mommy stuff or the wellness stuff? Let me know. Just in case it gets hot, I'm gonna bring this hair accessory. Honestly, I have to admit, I dress sort of weird in the summer. Like, I'll wear long sleeves with shorts. Hold on. Actually, you guys know what? I'm in the kitchen now. I know I posted on Instagram like a little while ago that I bought like a bunch of planners from Amazon like a while ago. And I never showed you guys which one I actually use. I actually used this one. And it just came with, separately I bought like this little holder and the pens and stuff, and we just write what we're doing here. Like, I honestly use this. I erased it just now because it had like sensitive information on it, but I use this. I have to stand right in front of the refrigerator to know what I'm doing every day. I just figured because the refrigerator is a place that I actually go every day fairly early in the day, I can look right here and see like what's going on for the day, for the week, and just be like more confident. Okay, let's make a little AG1 drink for myself before I leave the house. And let's get the giveaway box, and we're gonna open a different box. What's in here? Nothing. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, you know this cup from Walmart with like measurements of like how much you're drinking during the day, positive messages about how much you're drinking. They let you know to refill it. Like if you've been following me on Instagram, you know I've been using this cup so much, and it's been really helping me with like my beverage intake and stuff. And I need it because when this thing is easy to spot like throughout the house. Like, oh, there's my cup and it's full of water. I need to drink that. That's the message that I get in my brain. So this cup is really good for me as a mom. Okay, this is just gonna take forever. So, yeah. I'm so excited to be doing this video. I just really hope that I can leave the house within the next like 12 minutes with the gift and go straight to the post office. Like that's what I need to do. What's that? What was in here? Was something in here? Something orange was like right here. I'm like trying to think of what it was. Was it not ice? Not whatever. I'm gonna drink it. I'm gonna drink whatever it was. And if I don't chug, like I just did, it won't happen. It's 2:53. I haven't had a great drink like at all for myself. Let's open this other package because I really want to know what I got. I ordered something. Hold on. When I come back here in 3 minutes, I'm gonna have the giveaway box and the package that I want to open really quick. He's screaming, so cute. I'll be right back. Let's just see if I have my winner's address. Oh my gosh. Okay, I do. Pin code. Batia. I'm gonna write it exactly the way she wrote it, and I'm gonna send it to her like right now. Because I used to do giveaways all the time, and I would send out the stuff super quick. 3 babies deep. It's not like that right now, but my heart is still in it. Okay, so this is one of the giveaway boxes. I never know how I want to package it, like what I want to send it in and stuff. So here's a lot of the stuff from the original video, and this is the box that I have been using on Instagram to say like I do the giveaways and stuff. They're makeup and wellness giveaways, but I might do the next one more geared toward mom and wellness giveaways because I do a lot of mom stuff. Put on makeup I did in this video. I wonder if she'll like this. I did in this video, but I don't put on makeup all the time. But like, I used to do full-on tutorials. Maybe that's why I'm judging myself, because I haven't done a tutorial in a long time, and I just feel like if I'm not doing tutorials like or reviews, like do people really care that I talk about makeup? I don't know. But There's obviously gonna be makeup in the box. She's expecting makeup. What's this doing in here? No, I don't want the battery to die. I really don't have time to charge you. I'm back. If you guys could see the state, I'm gonna show you. We just got food for delivery. These things I need to take to the post office with me, the marker, the tape, the scissors. These are the gardening scissors because I don't know where the other ones are. That's how I prepare the box to be sent. I need those items. My lactation cookies that I need to eat on the way. My purse is nowhere to be found. I'm gonna find it before I leave and get into the garage, but right now I don't know where it is, so I'm putting everything in here. Okay. The other camera. I'm literally putting it in this bag. I don't even know where this bag came from. Okay, so here's the deal. I need all these items. Like I need the lippy I use, the Aquaphor, the Smell Good, the deodorant, the nipple butter. I need all that today. I'm trying to see if this deodorant works. People say that it does work. The only thing is I don't want to get it on any other products. The only thing is it like twists. Oh shoot, it does that. Like no matter how gentle I twist up, like it does that. So anyway, I just want to know, like, does it work? Like obviously I'm probably sweating right now, you know. I know the scent is something that I could probably get into. Okay, just do it super gentle and it comes up on its own a little bit too. We already know I love this. I established this on Instagram. Oh God. I don't have time to open that bag, that box that I wanted to open. Okay, so I bought this from Amazon a little bit ago. They have a bunch of these by a bunch of different brands. I don't have time to open this right now, but I'm very excited about it. We gotta go. It's already 3. The giveaway box has to be at the garage. It has to be. Excuse me. Ooh, so we got this rental, and to be honest with you, I never know when it is turned off. I'm wearing shorts, but like maybe the sweater was a really bad idea. Oh my goodness, it's way too hot. Time to open this right now, but I'm very excited about it. For so long. I did get it done though. I'm very happy. My hair is blowing like crazy in the wind.